Hey guys, today we're going to be doing a T-Sheets tutorial. First thing you're going to want to do is click on the App Store, type in T-Sheets Time Tracker. You're going to see the T with the red dot. You're going to download the app. It's going to work the same on iPhone or Android. Once the app's downloaded, go ahead and click Open. You're going to click Employee. Your email address that you use on your application is going to be what you log in with. I will be sending you your password on your text message, the same phone number that you use on your application. You'll be getting a password from me. There's a little tutorial here you can go through, read about T-Sheets. The question that comes up is how T-Sheets uses your location. You can learn more. On this page where it says allow T-Sheets to access your location, you have to click always allow. It will only track you when you're on the clock. Once again, it's going to ask you, T-Sheets would like to send you notifications. You can either allow or don't allow. As you can see, I'm clocked in right now. This is how the screen will look. I'm going to go ahead and clock out by hitting the red square there. Here's where you're going to see an overview of your time, that first tab. The second tab is going to be your current time card. The third tab is going to be your weekly look at what you've logged in. It always makes you put in a service item. So from this screen, you're going to be ready to either clock in or clock out. You have your customer. You're going to choose the appropriate job that you're on. You have your service item, which is going to be your appropriate service item that you're going to get from your foreman. As an example, grind, edge, sealer. Again, your foreman will be able to give you that information. If you're grinding and your foreman then switches you to joints, you're going to click switch and you're going to change your service item. You're going to click save in the upper right hand corner, and now you have been clocked into joints. Let's say it's lunch and you're ready to go. You click take a break. And now your 30 minutes starts. You cannot clock back in until your 30 minutes is up. When that time comes, you click end break and you're back into this screen. Again, you're always going to want to make sure your service item is accurate. Right now it's under joints. I'm coming back from lunch and I need to start up my epoxy. So now you're changed to epoxy. At the end of the day, you're ready to clock out. You hit the red and now you're clocked out. Again, on the overview, you'll be able to see your day total, your week total, and your pay period total. If there's any errors or things that need to be changed, just text me or call me. Again, the third sheet, your timesheet for the day and the week is all going to be spelled out right here. If there's any error, let me know and we can get it changed. That's about it for T-Sheets.